So welcome students. In this question you're given a summation, an infinite sequence. You're asked to find the sum of this. So as you see the sequence, you have 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 4 factorial, 1 by 6 factorial, so on. So you can guess that the sequence is related to expansion of e power x. You have only even powers of, you have only even factorials. That is, in some way you have a summation or difference of e and 1 by e. So how do we get this? So let me try to write this in a standard form. It is 1 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2 whole square by 2 factorial. And 1 by 16 is nothing but 1 by 2 whole power 4 by 4 factorial. 64 is nothing but 1 by 2 whole power 6 by 6 factorial plus so on. Right? So this is the expansion which is asked of you. So now how do we do this? So e power x is nothing but 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial plus so on up to infinity. And e power minus x is nothing but 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial minus so on. So in e power x you have all positive signs. In e power minus x you have an alternate plus minus sign. Now what happens if you add these two? What happens if you add these two? E power x plus e power minus x is equal to, if you add these two, the odd terms are getting cancelled. The odd powers of x are getting cancelled. So 2 times 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial plus so on up to infinity. So do you see that the thing that is asked of you is of this form? You just need to put x is equal to half. If you put x is equal to half in this, you get the expansion which is asked. So this will be equal to, so e power half minus e power minus half, sorry, plus e power half plus e power minus half by 2, right? So you just need to put x is equal to half. You get e power half plus e power minus half by 2. That is nothing but e power half plus 1 by e power half by 2. That is equal to e plus 1 by 2 root e. So option A is the right answer to this question. Thank you.